Hello, how are you? I have been away for a few days because my iPhone broke completely, but I've got a new one now and the sound is better, you may notice. Today I'm going to do a few videos about adverbials of time, place and probability, and do check the channel today for a longer video about it. Adverbials of place. We use prepositions to describe where something or someone is. So my jacket is draped over the chair. Sign your name here at the bottom. Adverbials of direction. So I walked past a coffee shop on my way to work. Or I left the office, I got out of the office and celebrated. Adverbials of distance, so this shows how far things are from each other. So my work is 5 miles away from my home. Adverbials of time, we use this to talk about when something happened, how long it happened for and how often. So I saw Mary yesterday, how long? It was all day, and how often? We do it every week. Check out my Instagram channel today for more examples from adverbials, and I've put a little link below to the websites which will help you out a lot. Hello, today I'm going over the irregular verb catch. Present simple, past participle, and phrases as well. Catch with an object is a ball, perhaps. Someone throws a ball at you, you should catch it. Otherwise it will hit you in the face. Past tense, I caught it. There's other ways to use catch without an object. If you are travelling by bus or by train, you can say, I'm going to catch the bus. Or yesterday I caught the train. Another way to use catch is if you catch someone doing something that maybe they shouldn't be doing. So let's say you see someone writing on the wall. You can say, I caught you writing on the wall. You can also catch people physically when you are in a race with them. I remember a game we used to play at school called Kiss Chase. We used to run after girls and try to kiss them. No tongues though. Past participle is also caught. So if you're going fishing or you went fishing, you could say, have you caught any fish today? If you are watching something like a TED Talk or you're speaking to someone and they say something really interesting, they catch your imagination. Going to be looking at some more phrases with the word catch. If you see someone attractive, they catch your eye. So you've noticed them and you take some interest in them. If you don't hear what someone has said, you can say, oh, can you repeat that? I didn't catch it. It's also used when you strike someone in the face perhaps. Did you see that? He just caught him smack in the jaw. If you pick up an illness from someone else or just in general, you've caught it from them. So, oh, he's got herpes from that girl, rancid. Fire as well. So if something is on fire, it has caught fire. As a noun, if someone is a catch, it means they are desirable. So you want to get a good catch. If you see someone's skin has become a little darker, they've been in the sun, you can say, oh, you have caught the sun. Or you've cheated and just laid on a sunbed. If there's something you wouldn't do, like take for example, parkour. Would you do parkour? No, you wouldn't catch me doing that. Hello, today I'm going to be looking at phrasal verbs for catch. So the first one is catch on. If something's popular and everybody wants it, then it's caught on. Hello, today I'm going to be looking at phrasal verbs for catch. So the first one is catch on. If something's popular and everybody wants it, then it's caught on. You can also use it with weather. So let's say it's been raining and you get home and you're soaked, and you might be asked, what happened? I got caught in the rain. I used the catch up phrasal verb before about physically catching someone up, but also if you have some chores to do and you finally get round to it, then you've caught up with them. If you see someone that you haven't seen for a long time, then you can chat and catch up with each other. Physical exertion can catch up with your body as well. So if you've had a long week, you get home, you're knackered, you can say, oh, the week's really caught up with me.